very excited that I got to be part of a legacy. You could say that.
Remarkably unpleasant, maybe hasn't learned as much as she should, but is ultimately a true friend to Karen. She does try to make sure that Karen does not follow in the same very bad footsteps.
Are you counting down the days till the holidays? Sleigh bells sing, ring a ding ding ding. Are you ready to celebrate?
You can probably look it up anywhere. It's video on demand, so just go, "Hey Christmas, Karen." It should pop up. But also, it's going to be on Amazon Prime, it's going to be on iTunes, Apple TV. All of those guys will have all that stuff. And then a little bit later on in the month, it's going to show up on Pluto TV for those of you who want to watch it there.
Are you ready for Christmas? We'll be having a ball.
Manager? Is there a manager in here? What is your name? What is your social security number? What is your address? I need that right now.
Karens are misunderstood! Karens are misunderstood!
Woo! I just all misunderstood. That's all. I just don't understand why everyone
Don't upset the baby.
is so mean to me.
Are you ready for Christmas? Are you taking the halls? Are you ready for Christmas? We'll be having a ball.
Welcome, everyone, to the Orlando red carpet premiere of A Christmas Karen.
We are so grateful for everyone coming out tonight. So congratulations to all of you that were involved in the film, and thank you.
Let's make sure this movie goes to #1, yeah?
You're going to love it.
You're going to love it. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.